Color grading is one of the biggest things that separates basic videos from professional-looking content. It can completely change the mood, style, and cinematic quality of your footage. And in Adobe Premiere Pro, you already have powerful color tools built directly into the software. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to color grade in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Premiere Pro and import the video clips you want to color grade. Now drag your footage onto the timeline to create a sequence. To access the color grading tools, switch to the color workspace at the top of Premiere Pro. This opens the Lumetri Color panel and scopes. Before adding cinematic looks, fix the basic exposure and white balance first. So adjust brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, and temperature. If your footage looks too blue or too orange, correct the white balance using the temperature and tint controls. Now increase contrast slightly to make the footage feel more cinematic and visually stronger. Saturation controls color intensity. Too much saturation can make footage look unrealistic, so keep the adjustments balanced. To speed up the grading process, you can apply LUTs or creative color presets inside the Lumetri panel. One important part of professional color grading is keeping skin tones natural and balanced. Color wheels let you adjust shadows, midtones, and highlights separately for more advanced cinematic grading and create more cinematic-looking videos using Premiere Pro.